LED?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember this train. It actually has a 7 door open closing also.
Go take a This is a very funny LED.
Attention please.
Is that
The
emoji?
train at platform B will
Yeah.
end its service
Is that
at
emoji or what?
East platform D.
Yeah,
The
it's a
train at platform
hyphen
A
U
will
hyphen.
end its
What is this?
service
What is the
at
emoji?
East platform D.
What's the emoji? What do you think the emoji could represent?
I don't know. Nothing, most likely.
14 or 11? It's 11.
11, yeah, 11. Yeah, 11.
That was a B. I think 5, 5, 6. And it's off!
Okay, it's a 7 door opening. It's a 7 door opening sound, I think. It's your door closing. Door closing.
This is service 207.
The train was stopped at Canberra.
What?
What?
It's not. There's no light. There's no light.
Where?
It did not light up when the door closing. I saw it never light up.
Oh. There's a 7 door closing.
This is so funny. Yeah.
Next station, Sembawang.
Okay, fix. Other side, this side. Again,
Yeah.
off.
Again!
Will not trust this train ever again. But it's a funny train, right?
At least we got all the A's already. Okay. Train gonna stop. Oh, my camera is so blurry.
When you saw the LED, how do you feel?
So shocked.
You mean you actually knew that was gonna? You knew that it was already there.
This is a B motor.
Listen, stop it.
Later hear the B motor. Okay, train going to stop.
I heard the squeak.
B motor, right?
That's A motor.
Yeah, B motor. It made a very loud
This
stop.
train has stopped here for a system test. It will depart shortly. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors.
Stand clear of the doors. Oh.
This train has stopped here for a system test. It will depart shortly. For your safety,
Moto.
please stand clear of the doors.
Doesn't mean the doors are going to open.
No lah, the doors are not open one.
You have the train doors open because it's at least stand clear of the doors. You never see that in the other trains.
You did.
But yeah, it never happened.
Yeah, useless. Oh, stop right there.
Yeah, okay.
Stop right there.
Careful,
Doors, train moving.
I heard the B motor. I heard it.
What B motor? No. Oh my god. Heartbreaking, honestly.
Do you have to do that? Or later you feel the door closing, the LED.
What? Blinking! Just now I saw the light was blinking.
You went like teet, teet, is it?
Yeah.
Do you catch it?
I caught it. I catch it.
Later you also feel the train leaving, you see that this LED is not working.
Huh?
When the train left Yishun, this LED did not light up.
Yeah.
Is it rare on the snuff? Is it
Okay, we
rare?
can go to 525, this is 2525. Sorry. Then get here got the 下方 door opening closing.
I think this one might, because the door looks quite dirty.
Sembawang.
Is getting this A part of your plan or not?
Sembawang.
Is getting this A part of your plan?
No. My plan was a B.
But unfortunately,
No, because of your mom. Because of your mom.
I'm happy I got you.
But at least I'm happy that I got this stupid A.
With the funny LED. You mean you actually saw it before?
Yeah, I saw it before. But it's on 50758.
No, it's a 525526.
Doors opening.
I heard it after that.
No. Okay, but let's see the blinker here work or not.
Is that what? Door 11.
What will the door trap? Does the blinker work? Want to get it again? What is it? Trip is set.
531, 532.
Okay, let's get it. Hurry up.
Okay, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh. Wait.
531, 532, I heard. I saw.
Okay, this is 151 door opening closing.
Okay, this is the 5th time already, okay? After that, can you just take 859 back?
Yeah. Hey, man. Okay, which one was the one with the 7 door opening?
Don't have.
No, it has. I remember. But it's on one of the car.
How many times have they keep taking A's?
It's not 512, it will be on 532.
Huh?
Check. It's not 512, it will be 532.
How many times have they keep taking the A? Come on.
So soft. There?
But do you see the service for this train?
Huh?
Do you see the service?
204.
Somehow it has new logo. The
New-
full red. Full red.
And this is what we want. Full red. And 7 door opening.
And please don't off.
Yeah.
Wait, when the train reached around, that one did not go off.
Yeah. And someone I did not pause. I forgot pause. I forgot to stop just now. So I'll just put as
Bilingual. When we thought the B was English, now it's Mandarin.
so I'll put it as 52526 and 532, right?
Yeah. Is this what you wanted?
Yeah, this one.
Soft announcement. C151 door. This thing on.
Yeah.
What else?
7 door opening closing.
Yeah.
And B motor. This is B motor also.
This is very loud. This motor is quite loud.
Batch 2 motor. Okay, time to face the left side. And this. And all logo.
This is what we wanted, new logo, right?
Yeah.
And this thing on, not off, right?
Yeah.
We got the batch 1 new logo, now we got the batch 2 new logo.
And then this one could be B already, right? B batch 1. Yeah, it's a B motor.
This train has stopped here for a system test. It will depart
Next station,
shortly.
you should.
For your safety, please stand clear.
What?
Doors.
It's supposed to say this train will
This train has stopped here
Glitch.
for a system test. It will depart shortly. For your safety, please stand clear.
Yeah.
Stop!
Never mind, cannot see me. Cannot see me. The staff can't see me. Look how thick is it?
Oh wow. Oh, let me see. It's like next.
There, it's on, it's open, it's open.
C151C is on, right?
On again! Oh my god, why does this always happen to me?
Only on the A's.
Now it's like your 70778. Right?
777 is only has a problem at the before you even start the accelerator.
These are also.
No, but that one is after going.
What is that?
B.
Batch 1 or batch 2?
Batch 2.
Okay.
One more time, batch 1, right?
Yeah.
And then we're done.
Not done lah. We're gonna take the 859. No, I mean
I
15.
must see how long it takes to get back to Bukit Batok from Sembawang. You know this, Jordan? We always keep coming good. Sembawang Yishun, Sembawang Yishun, Sembawang Yishun. This is our 5th ride.
Yeah.
You mean the staff will understand why strong enthusiasts are doing this?
Yup. Got a new station.
But unfortunately, the word never got shared.
Yeah, and I can't wait to show someone. Dang. Not him. It's another person. Nope. Your face inside.
Blinking.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a C. I saw C.
No C's for you for us today.
What is the last highest set? It's our 5th ride. This is our 5th ride?
Yep.
Ouch. Heartbreaking.
And no squeaking sound at all.
Only one is break.
Yeah, no squeaking sound.
I heard it. It went.
The door scare you. Hey, wait. So what? They say this is the violent door. Door closing later.
I think that's what the enthusiasts are saying.
Yeah. This is the violent door. Oh.
This is the outside.
Attention please. The train at platform